Evening, this is Yad. Welcome to my YouTube channel e-commerce, and thank you for all the viewers. First of all, I would like to say in day by day I'm getting some extra 1 or 2 views, getting count plus daily. Some little bit happy. Okay, let's look how many days it will go. Okay, so just go into the today's topic. So today we are going to discuss about the date data type. We can understand from the data type name also date, which is used to store the date. Okay, so there are only two specified Oracle specified date formats. That's only this is one, this is one. So there is only the two difference. Here you can see the 2y and here 4y. That's nothing. Here we are specifying the shortest form of the year, and here we are specifying the full form of the year. Nothing. This is also called present century. This is also called past present century. When you can see this example only, you can get the point. What's actually this? That's the thing only. Okay, and next thing, number. This is also, so we can get the thing from the data type name number, which is used to store the numerical values. Okay, but there is some difference in syntax only. Okay, there are two things. One is precision and scale. These two arguments we have to pass. You can see in the syntax we have to specify the number as a data type name, and you have to specify the precision and scale. So what is precision and scale is nothing, very simple. Precision, it is used to determine the digits we are going to store, the number of digits, the digits we are going to store. And scale, it is used to determine the number of digits we are going to store decimal place within the precision. Okay, within the precision, how many decimal places numbers we are going to store. So that's only the difference between the precision and scale. So that's we are going to specify inside the data type name. So we can get the what's the format of the number. Okay, let's go with the example. Okay, you can see here. So for let's take the number 1234.56. Okay, has the precision of 6 and a scale of 2. So to store this number, you need number of 6 comma 2. 6 as precision, 2 as, sorry, yes, 2 as scale. Okay, so what is 6? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes. Okay, and 2 is the scale. You can see here, this 2 is the scale. So numbers after the decimal place. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so let's go into the another topic tomorrow. See you soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video.